Step 1. Unlock ultimate performance. All right, follow me step by step. Don't skip anything. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now type Command Prompt. Don't open it yet. Right-click on Command Prompt and click Open File Location. You'll see the shortcut here. Now again, right-click on Command Prompt. Click on Properties. A small window will open. Click on Advanced. Now tick this option, Run as Administrator. Click OK, then Apply, and OK again. Done. Now your command prompt will always open as administrator. Now let's unlock the real power. Open Command Prompt. If you see a permission pop up, click Yes. Now copy this command and paste it here. Then press Enter. No message? That's perfect. That means it worked. Now press the Windows key again, type Control Panel, and open it. Click Hardware and Sound. Then click Power Options. Now look carefully. You'll see a new option called Ultimate Performance. Select it. Done. Your PC is now running at maximum power with no limits. Step 2. Clear RAM. Now let's free your RAM instantly. Open RamMap as administrator. If asked, click Yes. Now look at the top menu. Click Empty. Then click Empty Standby List. Done. This clears cached memory instantly, and you should feel smoother performance right away. Step 3. Disable startup apps. Now we fix slow startup. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Task Manager will open. Go to the Startup tab. You'll see a list of apps. Right-click on apps you don't need, like Discord, Spotify, or Chrome. Click Disable. Done. Fewer startup apps means faster boot and more free RAM. Step 4. Delete temp files. Now, let's clean junk files. Press Windows plus R. A small Run box will open. Type temp. Press Enter. Select all files and delete. If some files don't delete, just skip them. Again, press Windows plus R. Type %temp%. Press Enter. Select all, delete. Done. These are useless files that slow your system down. Step 5. Disk Cleanup. Now we do a deeper clean. Press the Windows key and type Disk Cleanup. Open it. Select your C drive. Click OK. Now tick all boxes. Click OK, then Delete Files. Done. This removes hidden system junk safely. Step 6. Update drivers. Now we reduce lag issues. Right-click the Start button. Open Device Manager. You'll see a list. Find Display Adapters. Click the arrow. Right-click your graphics driver. Click Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically. Now do the same for network adapters. Update your main network driver. Done. Updated drivers help improve stability and performance. Step 7. Boost internet speed. Now let's improve internet speed. Press Windows plus R. Type netcpl.cpl. Press Enter. A window will open. Go to the Connections tab. Click LAN Settings. Now follow carefully. Turn on Automatically Detect settings. Turn off Proxy server if it's enabled. Click OK, then OK again. Done. This can improve your internet speed and reduce delays. Step 8. Disable background services. Now we reduce background load. Press Windows plus R. Type msconfig. Press Enter. Go to the Services tab. Tick Hide all Microsoft services. This is important. Now disable unnecessary services. Click Apply, then OK. Done. This frees up system resources. Step 9. Remove unused apps. Now let's remove unused apps. Press Windows key and open Settings. Click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll through the list. Select apps you don't use. Click Uninstall. Done. This helps free up RAM and storage. Step 10. Increase virtual memory. Now we increase virtual memory. Press Windows key, type Advanced System Settings. Open it. Under Performance, click Settings. Go to Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory. First, uncheck this option, Automatically Manage. Now select your C drive. Click Custom Size. Now enter values based on your RAM. For 4 GB, type 6,000 and 8,000. For 8 GB, type 12,000 and 16,000. For 16 GB, type 24,000 and 32,000. For 32 GB, type 48,000 and 64,000. Click Set, then OK. Done. This acts as backup memory when RAM is full. Bonus: Auto Boost Script. Now the final step. Go to Desktop. Right-click, click New, then Text Document. Name it boost.txt. Open it and paste your script. Click File, Save As. Rename to boost.bat. Set type to all files. Save it. Right-click the file. Click Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. Done. This is your one-click system cleaner. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Share with a friend who needs speed. Your PC will feel brand new. See you in the next video.